Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to TMP Finance, where we make long and short-term investing simple. Today we're going to be taking a look at the NASDAQ and at the stocks surrounding the market right now and see where we could be moving in the very near future. So without further ado, let's get started here. We'll take a look at the heat map. Today the heat map has been in the red a lot, but it's tapered off and it's a little bit more mixed than it was in the opening of the market today. If we take a look at the NASDAQ, we can see that we moved down over 2% from where the market opened, showing a lot of bulls rushing in, but as we can see, we're only down 0.58% as we speak, and that's because we had this huge bullish rejection off of this support line over here, and I will show you that in a shorter chart here. So let's take a look at a smaller time frame. We're going to take a look at the 15-minute time frame here, and what we can see is that the market did open. It didn't have a wick really to the upside here. It just started dumping immediately. So what I saw in the pre-market was that we had this falling resistance line overhead. We also had this support level that we've been trying to break through, but I thought that today was the day, as the resistance is getting very, very tight, for us to start shorting the market. So what did I do? I let my Discord members know to start selling the NASDAQ. So we shorted all the way from this support line over here all the way down to a high resistance zone at around 23,200, and that was a great trade here. We had our stop loss right above the resistance line. Great risk reward trade of about 5. Your take profit was 0.7% on the chart, or about 6.3 after 9 times leverage, and that was a fantastic trade to be taken. So if you're looking for a whole lot more trades like this one, we're currently beating the NASDAQ by about 218% and beating the market overall by about 640%. So if you are interested in getting access to all the trades I take in real time, including take profit, stop loss, and percentage risk allocation, come take a look at the link in my description, wap.com/tmp-finance. But there's a lot of great trades you could have taken. There's this other great long trade that you could have taken from this double touch of the support line over here, having your stop loss right below the support line here, and then taking profit all the way back up to where we have our resistance line falling over here. So that could have been a very good trade of 14.76 risk to reward and a very good upside of 1.5%. But right now, what am I expecting for the NASDAQ? I think that right here, getting this break of the resistance line is exactly what we need if we want to see the bulls come back in power. From there, I think we can get a test of 23,665, and having your stop loss at this high key level over here with a lot of volume is going to be a great risk reward trade as well. Now, if we are looking for a short trade, what I'm looking for here is a break of the support line, and from here I'm looking to move all the way back down to previous all-time highs. Previous all-time highs are a zone that typically get retested every time it makes a new all-time high. So it could be a year, it could be a couple weeks. But right now, when I saw that big bearish candle, I was thinking that we could have broken the support line for the next day and moved all the way back down. But if we do get a break, that's what I'm looking for. Great risk reward, 4 risk reward with a take profit of 3.76% before leverage. So great trades to be taken for the NASDAQ. Keep your eyes peeled. Let's take a look at Tesla over here. This is another free trade, free sauce you can be placing as soon as tomorrow when the market opens. Right now, I've been killing Tesla. We've made 127% year to date with Tesla. And when I say year to date, I really just mean since July or June when I started trading Tesla. That being said, I am expecting another move here. What I like to see is major confluence in the big indexes to kind of give confluence to the smaller stocks here. What do I mean by that? Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. We can see a big bullish rejection, and right now at Tesla we're sitting right at support, and we are seeing a bit of rejection here from the bears, and we are seeing a little bit more of that bullish action. This is a great candle, this doji candle, if you want to get great long positions. What am I expecting here? I'm expecting the market to just push back up to the resistance line above. And you know what, worst case scenario, if it doesn't work, that's still a fantastic risk reward of 6.62 if you have your stop loss right at the previous low of today. Let's take a look at Berkshire Hathaway over here. Berkshire Hathaway has fallen 13% from its previous all-time high, but right now we're getting this very nice recovery back to the upside, moving up faster than we were falling down, which is very nice to see. The bulls are in control right here. Today we moved down 0.37%, and we moved right to retest the $500 level, and we've also gotten rejection from that level too. So it's very possible that we could keep moving here as long as we're over top of 500. I'm looking for a nice move where we could go have our stop loss right at the swing low of today as we're getting rejection, and then your take profit at the next key zone over here. I'm looking at about 517 for that next key zone for your take profit. But I personally think that Berkshire Hathaway will reach all-time highs in the very soon future. I want to say maybe in 2 months from now, we'll be able to receive some great confirmation. Let's take a look at Amazon. This is the last stock I want to look at today. Amazon had a bit of a fake out here. We got a little bit scared out when we saw that Amazon was breaking the support line that's been rising here, but it was able to recover. Again, you have the bulls back on the side here, so we were still down 1.6%, but you still had the bulls recover in open market hours, right back above the support level there. That being said, if you're looking for a trade for Amazon, what you could be looking for, again, having your stop loss right below the previous low of day, having your take profit right at the top of the range here for Amazon, looking for a 1.61 risk to reward. As soon as we do break above this falling resistance as well, I think that's a fantastic key indicator that we're looking for new all-time highs. We will probably break it, I'm guessing at about $229, $228 a share. We'll be able to break that resistance and move to new all-time highs. So from there, I'm still looking for the support line to be holding us up for that move. And I'm looking for a move where we can move all the way up to, I want to see something like $290 a share. And I think that's very possible within just a few months of Amazon moving up. So thank you very much for tuning in. I will see you guys in the next video, and thank you so much for the support recently on the channel. Again, if you're looking for fantastic trades, you're looking for all the analysis done for you, come take a look at that link in my description, wap.com/tnp-finance, and we'll see you very soon. Later, y'all.